Incremental greetings. Today I want to share with you something I learned from Harvey, and it's sorting alphabetically into knowledge tree. The point is that you only want one level of hierarchy. So if I want this to sort all of these now, which mostly are concepts or folders, right? But I don't want, for instance, I don't want to sort what's inside. I want to keep the semantic structure. The reason for that is when I'm creating new concepts. As you can see, the last concepts I did, culture Chinese, physiology plant, and psychoanalysis, are at the bottom. Usually I go by hand, I move them around to order them, and so on. That will be here, and so on, right? But it's by hand. You can actually do this automatically. So I want this to be sorted, what you see now. So I click the parent, right click, view, and children. So you're not using the browser. You can do it here right away. Notice the difference with children and descendants. What I thought previously with children is that it's all children that are inside. So all the hierarchy down, that's actually descendants. With children, you only get the next level down. That's it, which is what I want. Next, I want to sort by alphabetically. So you click here, the title, header, and nothing else to do. Now everything is by order. Keep in mind the order is the I key. That's the reason I'm having the dollars before the A. And also what I notice, it's case insensitive, because usually the capital letters comes before, not after. So here's making no difference whatsoever. Which for me, it's a pro. It's something good. Now, it's when we do the trick. How we can keep this order on the knowledge tree, not only in the browser. So we click on Process Browser and move to branch. And now I will select the same one. You have to be really quickly. Do you want to transfer the browser elements? Yes, please. And that's the trick, because you are actually not moving, because you are selecting the same place as before. But it's enough to update the process so you get the actual order. Do the same for random order if you want to, so it's not limited to just alphabetical order. And I could do this once in a while because it's not automatically. To my knowledge, back in old times, Supermemo had this functionality. And also keep in mind, this will be useful at this level. So notice that the third level of hierarchy, it's not sorted alphabetically.